Welcome to this quick video look at the Loctite 565 thread sealant. This product is going to work really well for you if you don't really enjoy using Teflon tape on the regular to seal your normal pipe threads. These are for tapered pipe threads. They are not for parallel pipe threads. So we're going to cut the nipple off there and expose the product. And we're going to put the nozzle on. And very simply, we're going to use this in a very similar fashion that we would use the tape, except you don't have to worry about the wrap and all of that. Once the product comes out the nozzle, we're just going to use it, get it down in the threads, get a nice even coating. You don't need a lot. More is not going to help you. It's just going to end up on the outside of the fitting. But once we have the threads full, then we're just going to put them together just like that. This is an anaerobic product like many Loctite products, which means it's going to cure in the absence of oxygen. So when we clean off this residue, don't worry that that's still wet when you go to put this into service. As long as you've given it, 12 to 24 hours of cure, it's going to be fine. It's going to be set up just great. You do want to tighten this down with some tools. Remember that most sealants work by allowing the two fittings to go together more. They're more of a lubricant, allowing the two tapered fittings to fit together more deeply and more tightly. And that's where the seal comes from. But once this sets up inside, it's going to work the same way a Teflon tape would, and possibly even better if you're challenged using Teflon tape. So this is a great solution, a great way to get a leak-free pipe joint anywhere you need to. It works on brass, works on steel, aluminum, stainless steel, any of those materials. So jump in, get yourself some Loctite 565 sealant.